There's a business model called print on demand, and thanks to companies like Printful, you can launch your own brand without investing in inventory or worrying about shipping. You create the designs, and they handle the rest. It's that simple. That's why today, I want to tell you why this business model can change your life. No lies, just complete honesty. To begin, imagine this. Today you woke up motivated to start a business. But then comes the big question. What kind of business? Maybe you like the idea of selling hoodies with motivational quotes, the kind you read and think, I need this in my life. In a traditional business, that would mean buying lots of hoodies, having them printed, storing them, and then waiting for them to sell. If they don't sell, you end up with boxes piling up and lost money. But this is where print on demand comes in, and it changes everything. With platforms like Printful, you just create the design, upload it to the platform, and they print, pack, and ship the product only when someone buys it. In other words, you don't have to worry about inventory. Printful handles production and shipping all under your brand. You only focus on designing, promoting, and building your community. Sounds good, right? And the best part is that this isn't just for graphic designers or tech experts. Anyone with a good idea and the willingness to learn can do it. Print on demand lets you start a business without risking large sums of money. In fact, recent studies show that more than 60% of Gen Z and millennials plan to start a business in 2025 to earn extra income. That's no coincidence. This business model offers a realistic gateway for people who dream of having their own brand. Printful has an impressive catalog: t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, hats, backpacks, phone cases, and much more. And the best part is that it integrates perfectly with Shopify, a platform that makes selling online as easy as sending a message. Shopify is the engine behind your store. It lets you create a professional-looking website without needing to know how to code, and its integration with Printful automates the entire process. You design and sell, they produce and deliver. To understand how it works, let's get practical. Imagine you want to launch a clothing brand for people who love fitness. You want to sell hoodies with phrases like keep pushing or lift, love, repeat. The first thing you need to do is define your niche. You can't sell to everyone because that's like throwing a stone into the ocean and hoping it hits a target. Focus. For example, young people between 20 and 30 years old who go to the gym, who are looking for clothing with messages that motivate them, and who are willing to pay between $30 and $50 for a piece that represents them. Once you've defined your audience, it's time to explore Printful's catalog. If your niche is fitness, you might choose products like performance t-shirts, durable hoodies, reusable water bottles, or sports caps. If your focus was something else, like cat lovers, you could go for mugs with cute illustrations or t-shirts with funny phrases. The key is to choose products that truly connect with your audience. Then comes the design. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Tools like Canva or Kittl let you create amazing designs in just a few steps. For example, you could create a hoodie with the phrase lift, love, repeat in a bold font using colors that convey energy. Then you upload it to Printful, choose the product it will be printed on, and the platform generates a mock-up, a sort of preview image showing what the final product will look like. These mock-ups are super useful for showcasing your products on social media and in your store without needing to create a physical sample. Now, you connect Printful with Shopify. You open a Shopify account, which costs $39 a month on the basic plan, and link your store to Printful in just a few minutes. You publish your products, and every time someone makes a purchase, Printful receives the order, prints the design, packs it with your brand, and ships it directly to the customer. You just focus on designing, promoting, and offering great customer service. Let's talk about money. How much does it really cost to set up this store? Shopify, as we mentioned, is $39 per month. A domain, the name of your website, costs between $10 and $20 per year, although sometimes you can find deals where the first year costs just $1. Printful doesn't charge you anything until you make a sale. When a sale happens, you pay the cost of the product and the shipping. For example, a t-shirt might cost between $7 and $12, plus $4 to $6 for shipping within the US, so you'd be paying between $11 and $18 total. A hoodie might cost between $20 and $35, plus $6 to $8 for shipping, making the final cost between $26 and $38. If you decide to add custom touches like a logo tag or a thank you note, That can add $1 to $3 extra per order. And even though it might seem small, those details make a big difference. They make the customer feel like they bought something special, not just a generic product. As for design, as we mentioned, Canva has a pretty complete free version, although its pro version, about $15 per month, offers many more options. Kittl also has a free version, and its premium plan starts at $10. So, for less than $60 a month, not counting the cost of products, which you only pay when you make a sale, you can have your store up and running. Compared to a physical business, where you'd have to pay rent, hire staff, and buy inventory in advance, this investment is minimal. And how much can you earn? The recommended profit margin is between 30 and 50%. If a t-shirt costs you $15 in total, you could sell it for $23. A hoodie that costs you $35 could be sold for $50, and so on with the rest of your products. But the key is knowing your customer, how much they're willing to pay, and what they expect from your product. For example, if you're selling to fans of unique designs, you can charge more. If you're targeting students or people on a tighter budget, you can adjust your prices to stay competitive. You can also use strategies like bundle offers, a t-shirt and a mug for $35. This increases the value of each sale, and since Printful's mock-ups make your product look premium, you can justify higher prices. But it's not enough to just upload products to a store and wait for them to sell. You need to build a brand. A nice logo isn't enough. Your brand needs to tell a story, have a voice, a vibe. If your audience is made up of indie music lovers, you could create a brand called Free Rhythm with a minimalist style, muted colors, and messages about living without limits. That consistency should show up in your products, your website, your social media posts, everything. My advice? Start with just a few products. 2 or 3 designs that really make an impact. That allows you to test things out without risking too much, and if they work, you can add more variety. As for your Shopify store, choose a clean, professional design. Use an eye-catching banner, a clear slogan like "Clothing for Free Souls," and visible buttons that invite people to buy. Make sure you have great photos of your products. Printful's mockups are key here. And clear, detailed descriptions that explain what makes your product special. Include a reviews section to build trust. Before launching officially, order a sample of your product from Printful. Even though their error rate is very low, this gives you peace of mind and lets you check the quality firsthand. You can also take advantage of their customization options to strengthen your brand. Now, why is this business model a good idea? Because it gives you freedom. You don't have to invest in inventory. You can test different designs without fear of losing money. And you can scale without complications. If a t-shirt doesn't sell, you just remove it from your catalog. If another one is a hit, you can release new versions. Everything is flexible and scalable. Plus, Printful works with big brands like Spotify and MTV, so you can trust their quality. They print in multiple countries, which makes shipping fast and affordable. And thanks to their integration with Shopify, everything runs automatically. Now comes the key question. How do you get people to discover your brand? You don't need to spend money on ads at the beginning. You can grow using organic strategies. TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest are your best allies. But it's not about just posting photos of your products. Create content with emotion. Show how you design your products, how you pack orders, how someone wears your hoodie while hiking or sipping coffee at home. Connect with your niche. If you're selling to passionate readers, create content for them. Use hashtags that connect with your audience. Use tools like CapCut to edit engaging videos, and Canva to create visual posts for Instagram. Visual quality matters, but authenticity matters even more. People connect with people, not with stores. Another great strategy is collaborating with micro-influencers. These are people with 1,000 to 20,000 followers who have a strong connection with their audience. If you're selling products for coffee lovers, find Instagram accounts that talk about that topic and send them a free mug in exchange for a shout-out. This can give you exposure and credibility. Post 3 to 5 times per week, respond to comments, and build a community. The goal isn't just to sell, but to build relationships. Email marketing is also key. From day one, add a form to your store to collect email addresses. Offer something in return: a discount, early access to product launches, exclusive content. Use tools like Klaviyo, which costs around $20 a month, and create emails that tell a story, that have soul. But one important thing, avoid spam. You need to offer real value. Include small touches in every order. A sticker, a thank you card, something that makes the customer smile. That generates free content when they share it on social media, and it also builds loyalty. Ask for reviews. A simple email asking how they liked their purchase can go a long way. Reviews help boost sales. At the same time, watch what other brands are doing. Analyze, not to copy but to learn. Look at which designs sell the most, how they communicate, what pricing they use, and check your own stats on Shopify and social media. If a product performs well, release more variations. If a video goes viral, double down on that style. All of this is why Shopify and Printful let you start a real business, with minimal risk and huge growth potential. You don't need prior experience or thousands of dollars, just a good idea, the willingness to learn, and consistency. This is a great moment. E-commerce is booming, and more people are deciding to start their own businesses. Don't wait until everything's perfect. Define your niche, create a simple design, open your store, and start sharing your story. With authenticity and persistence, you can build something that represents you and generates income. And now, tell me, had you heard about this business model before? Do you still have questions? Is there something you'd like to explore further? I'm reading your comments. In the description, I've left useful links so you can get started today. If you liked this video, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. See you soon.